Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the third question in exercise 7.9. Integral of e power x into 1 by x minus 1 by x squared dx. Now this is of the form integral e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx is equal to e power x f of x plus c. So let's start to compare to identify what is f of x. So we have the e power x in place. So if I place f of x is going to be equal to 1 by x. So first let's compute f dash of x. So f dash of x is nothing but differentiation of 1 by x, which is minus 1 by x squared. So now you see that e power x is going to be there, f of x is 1 by x and f dash x is also there. So let's apply the formula and write the answer. So this is going to be e power x into f of x, which is nothing but 1 by x plus c. Now let's take up the second subdivision. So in the second subdivision, I'm going to break the integration into two parts. So this is integral dx plus integral of log x dx. As far as the first case, we can directly integrate. So this is x plus integral of log x dx. Now this integration is of the form integral u dv, which is equal to uv minus integral v du. So let's identify the u, v, etc. So u is going to be equal to log x, which means u dash or du is going to be equal to 1 by x dx. Now dv is going to be equal to dx. So v is going to be integral of dx, which is equal to x. So let's put back in the formula. So this part is there. So x plus, now here uv, so u into v, which means it's x log x minus integral v du. So v itself is going to be x into du is 1 by x dx. So this and this you can strike out. So this is x plus x log x minus integral 1 dx is just a dx. So this is going to be x plus x log x minus x plus c. So the plus x and minus x you can cancel. So the final answer will be just x log x plus c. In the next video, we will find the solution to the fourth question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.